Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, with summer this happens, although I have cloth with river stones, but such plants always grow. So I'm gonna clear it. People call it weed, whatever. So you know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put gloves on and then I'm gonna use this reciprocating straw. So I'm gonna it's not difficult, and in fact its efficiency is very good. I need to use both hands. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm gonna hold it from one hand and from other hand you can cut. So I have to do for so many, like in fact whole my backyard is fill this up. So if you have a house here in Canada during summer, this task also becomes mandatory. Otherwise you'll have such unwanted plants and then insects coming. So I'm gonna clean this up using my reciprocating saw. It's very easy, but like you need to hold from one hand, from other hand you can see how easy it is to cut. So you have to be ready for this in Canada. This is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it, about this task and this method of using reciprocating saw. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.